Juergen, let's start with all about Turtle Beach. You've been very busy over the last few weeks. You have a partnership and acquisition. Tell us a little bit about the very latest that's going on with the company.
Sure, Nicole, and thanks for having me on here. So we've historically been the leader by far in console gaming headsets for Xbox, PlayStation, and in 2019 we bought Rocket to expand into PC gaming accessories, keyboards, mice, and PC headsets. We put a lot of work into that business over the last months and have more than doubled the revenues from that acquisition from 2019 to 2020. And we've continued, based on a very strong year last year, we have continued to make investments to grow the markets we play in. And the latest is the Neat acquisition, where just like Rocket, we wanted to acquire a world-class team. In the Rocket case, it was in PC gaming, keyboards and mice. And in the case of Neat, we were looking to accelerate an entry into digital and USB microphones. So the Neat acquisition, while it's a small team and a small business today, is arguably one of the best teams in the world at digital microphones. And they're actually the team that's responsible for the best-selling microphones in the market today. That now is part of Turtle Beach, and they've got some really exciting products in this category coming that will help us drive growth long term and expands the markets we play in.
Also, you have an Oakley partnership, right? First of all, this is all so exciting. It's so timely. There's new consoles out for the PlayStation 5, the new Xbox. I mean, you are right in the heat of it, pandemic time, more people using these things. And I know you have a deal with Oakley. So tell me about that partnership, another exciting partnership with accessories, right?
Sure. First of all, it is a phenomenal time to be in gaming. I would say if you're going to be a leader in a consumer category, consumer retail category, gaming is the place to be. The market went through the roof last year with lockdowns and gamers playing more. You got esports, you have socialized gaming has been driving growth for a number of years and really took off last year. So the market in general is red hot, and that fueled what we expect will be record performance for last year and an ability for us to start accelerating movement into other categories. So Neat is one example. The Oakley partnership is really exciting. We know from Oakley that there's about 650 million people worldwide that wear glasses, and over 60% of them are prescription. And if you marry that with 2 billion gamers roughly worldwide, there could be a market for a billion units of gaming glasses, the glasses that basically allow you to see better and play better. And obviously we know gaming and Oakley knows glasses. So the partnership's been a couple of years in the making, and we're super excited to be launched with them.
So with these Oakley glasses, it's a Prism collection, I guess, which I actually use for snow skiing. So I have my Oakley goggles, but would these be prescription or not necessarily?
Out of the gate, they're going to be prescription glasses for gaming. So they have the specialized filters and tints to reduce eye strain and actually allow you to see a little bit better while you're gaming. That's very important to gaming skills. And originally, or out of the gate, they're going to be prescription because people don't have to change their behavior. They're already playing with glasses, and now they'll have a specialized set of glasses they can use for gaming. But over time, we do expect to have non-prescription glasses as well.
It's interesting. I guess people are already wearing their glasses if they wear glasses. Why would they want to jump in and get Oakley? I guess it'll be cooler. You'll have the filters, the blue light blocker and all that kind of stuff that you'll need when you're a gamer, which, as you said, the growth potential in this industry is exponential. So where do you see the biggest growth for your company going forward now?
Well, our growth right now, we have done very well and continue to do well in console gaming headsets. That's a huge market. Headsets for Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo. That's grown, over 40% last year. We outpaced the market significantly again. And that, maintaining our, dominant market share in that category, which we've had for more than 10 years now, based on good products, good quality, a great brand. We really are kind of the go-to brand in that category. So pillar number one is continue our strength there. Pillar number two for growth is the PC accessory market. We haven't traditionally played there in a major way. That's headsets, keyboards, and mice for gamers, and they're just as specialized as headsets are for gamers. So don't think about your office keyboard and mouse. We acquired a company, as I mentioned, Rocket, in 2019. We've more than doubled the revenues of that business, significantly increased the portfolio, and that is virgin territory for us. It's the console gaming headset market is about 1.7 billion in size. The PC accessory market is about 3.4 billion. And our share is low today, but growing quickly. So that provides a tremendous growth opportunity for us going forward as we release more products and take share in that category.
You've had a nice pop up in the stock, in fact, hitting a new high recently, 6 months, 48% jump for the stock. So it's done very well. I mean, during the pandemic, we know more and more people have been streaming and gaming. And do you expect that to continue?
Yeah, it sets up a very exciting 2021 because last year, as we did some analysis in Q2, and it showed that Q2, by the way, was nearly double the market size for console gaming headsets, and I'm going to use some US stats. The analysis we did showed about a third of that was existing gamers gaming more. A third of that was new gamers wearing headsets. And a third of that was non-gaming uses of gaming headsets. They happen to work great for working at home, schooling at home. And there are all kinds of stories about kids on calls with the teacher saying, "Why can I hear you better?" And the kids saying, "I've got my Turtle Beach headset on." So the interesting thing about that is the latter two categories, new gamers, which we think is millions and millions of new gamers that have entered the market that last year, they're going to continue gaming, our research shows, and that will actually drive another step function increase in the market over time.